Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here over 10 acres of lush vegetation, the smell of fresh air, bright sunshine, yet cool and serene, both indoors and outdoors, allowing yourself to become one with nature, while being only minutes away from the main thoroughfare. Having the best of both worlds, this 3,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathroom, modern and functional house is nestled on this private estate fit for nature's lovers. Fruit trees of all sorts, from mangoes to ackee to coconut, pineapples, oranges, cinnamon, breadfruit, banana, just to name a few. Reserve water tank, diesel generator with 70 kilowatts capacity and farm equipments. There is a 2 inches water main running through the property. There is security camera system in place and a river to enjoy as well. Other features include ceramic tile, workshop detached, ceiling fans, main level entry, cable, standby generator, view of the mountain, easy access to amenities, family oriented, recreation nearby, quiet area, acreage, level lot, and pets are allowed in this area. The asking price for this property is US $585,000 or Jamaican $90 million. Now, let's take a look at this property and please leave your comments and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.